Hi guys, it's Natalie. Today I prepared 2 boxes of things I've crocheted but never show anyone or posted online. I'm gonna show you each piece. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Let's start with this one. So the first thing I want to show you is this long sleeve top. It is my favorite piece. I wear it a lot. The yarn is 100% cotton, so it is very nice for a summer day. The thing about cotton yarn is that the fabric can be very stiff, but with thin yarn and big hook, the fabric can still be flexible and you can make things that fit nicely to the body. Okay, let's do this one. So this one is a mohair turtleneck sweater. And again, very skinny yarn made with a big hook. And it turned out to be light and keeps you warm. Let's see, put this here. Okay, so these are some skirt. I'll show you. This one look like this. And then this is another version, made with the same crochet technique, but this has some ruffle and this knot. I actually wore this in the picture for the crochet heart top that I made recently. And this one is another one with ruffle, but like a micro mini skirt, very short one. All of this skirt made with thick yarn, chunky or super chunky, and with I think like a 5mm crochet hook. Okay, leg warmers. I have like a love and hate relationship with leg warmers. Sometimes I think they're very cute, but sometimes I think they kind of look funny, and I find it very hard to make an outfit with leg warmers. So yeah. Okay, this one I'm very excited to show you. It's like a bra. Can you see it? I get the idea of making this bra while doing the pattern for the crochet heart top. So for the heart top, we have this semicircle in the beginning, and I thought it can be a very nice bra cup. Just need a little bit of shaping. So I did it, and it turned out to be very cute. Okay. This is kind of embarrassing because I don't think that it looks good, but I will show you anyways. So it's a shorts, high-waisted shorts, and then this crop top. So this is the very first shorts that I made. After this one, I kind of improved the pattern and made a tutorial that you can find on my channel. I think I did a pretty good job improving from this one to that one. And this one is the exact same pattern as the crochet top down crop top. I like this yarn because it has kind of like a dancing night mood. Okay, this one. I actually posted this before. It's another version of the tie-lace skirt, but I found out that you can wear this as a top, and I think it's even cuter than it is as a skirt. Let's do, okay, these bags. I really love these bags. This is the same pattern from the shoulder bag pattern. The reason why I love this bag is, you know how crochet bag looks cute only when it's like laying on the table or have nothing in it, or you just stuff some very light things so that it look cute, but when you actually put the belongings in there, it kind of turned ugly and distorted. These are still very cute when you put things in there. Let me show you. So this is my phone, and let's just pretend that this is my wallet and maybe like a lipstick or something. And when you put it in there, even when it's heavy, it's still very cute. And this one is the same. this is another bag that I love. Unlike these, it kind of distorted when you put things in there, but it's still cute. I'll show you. Like that. So it's just like a crochet bag or a fabric tote bag. It looks kind of crazy when you put heavy things in there. I really like this fluffy yarn, but I'm afraid of showing it to people because it is very hard to work with. There's no way you can see the stitches. If you work with this yarn as a beginner, you will hate crochet. Next one, okay, this one. This is a warm piece and it has these glove sleeves. I've been obsessed with glove sleeves. I don't know why, but I think it just looks impressive to me. You know, the long sleeve top, but the sleeve, you can put it in your hand like gloves. And this has a little bit of this novelty. Is this novelty yarn? I think it's called novelty yarn, and it gives you a little bit of extra warm look for winter. Alright, so this is like the last pieces in this box. The Solomon skirt. It looked kind of crazy on its own, but I think it looked really cute when we wear it. I want to show you this one. I actually made a short video of this before, but I don't think you can see the fabric of this one on that video because you kind of need like a close-up. I put like this thin mohair, black mohair together with this acrylic yarn, and it creates this kind of effect. A sketch by someone using skinny ink pen. I don't know what I'm saying, but I hope you can see it. Okay. This one, I think it's in the intro of the Crochet Struck video. So just forget about it, okay? Okay, let's go to the second box. Let's go with this one. So, yeah, I think this one I posted like a sneak peek short, but you can't really fully see it. This is how it looks like. It's like a cardigan made with granny squares and granny stitches for the sleeve. Let's go with this one. Okay, this is just like a skinny scarf, but when you look closely you can see that the fabric has a very nice volume, and I don't know, it's just very nice to look at. Mini crop cardigan, I guess. When you wear it, it has this specific butterfly shape made with scrappy yarn. So I just kind of use up whatever I have left in my yarn stock, but it turned out to have this very crazy color that I don't really like. So what do you think? Okay, next one. What is this one? A beach dress. I wore this one in one of the short videos. I think it's like 10 crochet pieces that I brought with me to the beach, but I don't know if you saw that video, so I'm just gonna show you here. Okay, this one, turtleneck vest. I made it also with leftover yarn. This pink color is from the leftover yarn of the Nepheli cardigan. I put the thumbnail right here for you to see. And these are leftover yarn from the balaclava hood. The back is longer than the front because sometimes you want the front to be short, but then it will be too short on the back and it's kind of uncomfortable, you know? So I just try to make the back longer to see if it would still look cute. And I have a mixed feeling about this. It's not too good, not too bad. This is another embarrassment. Same pattern from the top-out crop top with the raglan increase. And it goes together with this skirt. When I make this, I just think about, you know, dancing in the nightclub by the beach. But now when I look back, I think it's kind of crazy, and I hate this yarn. It has this brownish spot on the yarn. I thought my yarn was 30, but then it's just the yarn. I didn't see this brown spot when I was buying the yarn. This is too short. I think I was like running out of this cotton yarn, so it's very, very short. Okay, let's move on. I have just a few things left here. Okay, this one gave me the idea of the tie-lace skirt, the string that you wrap around your thigh, but instead of the lace-up slit, you have two distressed fabric like, and then it distressed on the side and then also behind the skirt. Okay, so I think, an ongoing project. I don't know why I put it here. I plan to use this for a granny square dress. I'll put a picture right here for you to see. I plan to finish this summer last year, but it's just stayed in the corner since then, so I want to finish it this year. Oh, I don't know what to call it. It's just a nice piece to layer your outfit. This one is a version of the Nepheli cardigan. I like this one a lot. I'm just gonna wear it for you to see. So here it is. I think it's very cute. This is the last one that I want to show you. This I also wore in one of my shorts video, but I just want to show you because I love this yarn. This is silk. The fabric is very flexible since I again use a very big hook, even though the yarn is really, really skinny. But the silk yarn is really cool and nice and soft. It creates such a nice fit on your body, if that makes sense. But yeah, that is it. I dig really hard into my stuff to find all these pieces. And if you like the video, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Fabric is very flexible. Wow. These goose are very, very rude. Oh my god. This is harder than I thought. That's okay, let's go.